Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Long time no see, guys. Massive apologies for not posting, I don't think at all. Life's been lifing, honestly. Anyway, I'm back now. I'm going to be vlogging today. If you want to see a normal day in the life, you're not going to be seeing a luxury holiday in this video. I'm sorry, but we're just being realistic. This is just going to be a day in the life of me, what I normally get up to. So if you want to see a normal day in the life with me, then keep on watching. So I have been up and down for a couple of weeks now. I have been focusing quite a lot on my TikTok, as you would have noticed if you follow me over there. If you don't, make sure you do. It's a fun time over there. We are definitely gaining a community over there now because I've been going live quite a lot. Yeah, it's a fun time, so I want to make it fun over here too. So I thought I'd catch you guys up whilst I get ready for the day, because this cannot stay looking like that. So a little life update. I have been working for MAC Cosmetics for a year this month, which is crazy. End of July we're going to be celebrating. Yeah, all fun. Can't believe it's been a year already. Time flies when you're having fun, honestly. And talk about having fun, like I said, I have been super busy over on my TikTok. I go live at least 3 to 4 times a week and it's been super fun. So shout out to you guys if you watch my lives. If you've come over from TikTok, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, if you want to see more of my sort of like behind the scenes of my life, then welcome to my YouTube. I haven't vlogged, guys, for so long, but I thought it would be nice to just vlog my day. I'm going to be tidying this room today, which it's in need. I'm going to slick it back. I've been trying to not slick my hair back too much because I do feel like it's breaking. But let's do my skincare. I'm just going to spritz my face with whatever I've got left of the Beauty Crop Peptide Calm Mist. So, big question, guys, what have all you been up to? It has been so hot lately. Like, what is going on with the UK weather? I'm vibing it though. It has been so warm though, so it's been a lot. But yeah, have you guys been living the hot weather or not? I'm like in between. I love it and then I hate it at the same time, because I film videos with like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 lights. It gets very hot in my room, but it seems a little bit cooler today, which I appreciate. Just gonna go through my brows. Yeah, it seems to be going a little bit cooler now, but I don't know how long that's gonna last for. It is currently 10 o'clock in the morning and it's 18 degrees. I think yesterday it was like at least 25 degrees by this time. I'm really in the mood as well to sort all this out, sort my makeup collection. Don't know why, I just feel like it needs it. And I need to go through my makeup kit as well. This NYX glue has been really nice for like everyday fluffing my brows out slightly. I actually did a client's makeup yesterday for prom and I'll show you what I've got in my kit and stuff, but it's definitely not an updated makeup kit because I feel like my makeup kit at the moment is very unorganized. It's a little bit all over the place. There's like too many different products in there, if you know what I mean. I don't like to have too many different brands in my makeup kit, and I feel like that's what it's like at the moment. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Colour Wow 1 minute transformation for the front of my hair just to smooth it out a bit. Another update, guys, I've been going to the gym. Me and Connor have been going to the gym since March consistently. In the mornings we get up at around 3:30 or 4. We get to the gym and it is super quiet because our gym is very popular. It starts getting busy, guys, at like 4:30. Yeah, it's not good. So we have to go early, and Connor starts work early anyway, and to be honest, I'd rather go early than late because it gets super busy, like I said. So of course, if you watch my lives, you'll know how much I love this stuff. So underrated. It's the Garnier Brightening Liquid Care. It's so good. It's like your milky toner. So underrated. I absolutely love it. I'm using the Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. This is really good for hydration. I haven't ever used it under makeup. I've been using it in my nighttime routine. Don't ask me why, no idea. Then of course, even though I'm not planning on going in the sun today, might sit out in the garden if it warms up a little bit more for lunchtime. But Garnier SPF The Glow. Should have put my lights on, guys. Boots actually sent me some PR the other day, which, guys, you'll be super proud. I'm proud of myself, to be honest. Some of the new glossy lip balms, which I'll show you some of my PR that I've got recently, because I got quite a lot. Stay tuned, I'll show you some PR in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna tidy this up now, so let's roll the ASMR tidy. Okay, I've been sorting out my makeup kit drawer, and I've popped in here some like nostalgic stuff that was popular back in the day. Obviously it's probably expired now, but look, like the Made by Mitchell X Be Perfect palette, highlighter palette. If you know, you know, but obviously I can't use that on clients now. The Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. The old MAC. I've just found these like in the back of my drawer, and I just want to keep them. And like this, don't know why, but all the old matte sticks that I've depotted and like used up. The old P. Louise paints, Jordana t-shirt, lip glosses, just stuff like that. And I've also got a big box here filled with stuff to give to like my niece and my mum and my sister, friends. But this box I'm going to keep stuff that I want to keep for like future. I want to open it and think, oh my god, I remember using those. So I use the Made by Mitchell cases. As you can see, mine's bright lilac, goes with my theme. It's not the most sturdiest of things, but you can see it is quite deep. That's what I like. I don't think I've got anything in here. No, I don't. This is what I got in my kit for yesterday when I did a few prom makeups. So bring you a bit closer. Obviously, Jordana t-shirt. This is a staple palette. I use it all the time. My MAC depotted lipsticks, of course. This comes everywhere with me. I've also got some beauty ones to pop in there too. Obviously Made by Mitchell curve cases, which I use a lot of the light one, or the, is it the medium? I think it's the light, and this is the lightest, I think. I don't actually know, guys. And of course I've got the Made by Mitchell book, so I've got the blush book, which I absolutely love these so much. And I've also got the bronzer book as well. Some random wipes just to clean up. I've got my pot of pigments, so I've got Peach and Cream, MAC pigments, Jordana t-shirt, just loads of different ones. Then I've got my, of course, if you know it, you know, guys, the Doll Beauty Glow Getters, like highlighter, like blush toppers. These are so pretty. Absolutely love them. Then I've got my Makeup by Mario palettes, both of them, so the more bronzy one, and then the one that's a little bit more cool toned. My highlighter palette from Doll Beauty, love her. Made by Mitchell colour case, lip glosses. So you got some micellar water, setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury, random clear lip gloss, some skincare here, and primers. I've got the MAC Studio Fix Mattify one, and the Avocado Poreless Primer, and the Pore by Dr. Jart. That's like my go-to. So they're my go-to at the moment. I've got some of the MAC Studio Fix powders. These are the old ones now, but I need to use these up first. And I've got, of course, some of the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I've got dark, medium dark, and light. I've got dark tan, which if you know, you know, but I don't know why it's not in here. And then I've got my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've got the Tarte Shape Tape concealers, the NARS Longwear Radiant foundation, and I've also just using up the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and that's what I've got in my kit. Obviously it's not everything, but I'm going to put all this away now. And then as well, before I forget, bag that I take, which I've got all my like hygiene stuff in here. I've got like hand sanitizer, alcohol and brush cleaner, and then all my tools there. In this bag I've got some of like eye stuff, so I've got a waterproof mascara, just normal one, gel eyeliners, got my Maybelline by Mitchell-ish brow pencils, just random stuff. Then I've also got my Fine. Guys, if you don't know about this palette, get to know. Look how stunning they are. Oh, gorgeous. Then I've got my like bin slash brush holder when I've got dirty brushes. Lip liners, and then this is where I keep my brushes. If I've got 1 or 2 clients, I just make sure I've got enough brushes. And then I've also got my mirror. Okay, that is it. Okay guys, I have literally hit a rut. Like, I had my heart set on getting so many things done today. Sat outside for a bit to eat my lunch, which I forgot to film because it was so windy, and I just scoffed my lunch and went back inside. I thought, finally have time to actually go out and enjoy the sun, and it was so windy, so I just spent about half an hour out there, and now I'm back inside. Now I've hit a rut. I honestly can't be bothered to look in those drawers, to be honest. Those days where I thought I was going to get so much done, but I just haven't. So I'm just going through, doing a bit of admin, you know, all the fun stuff. I need to look at what I'm going to post on Instagram because I'm so behind on Instagram. I don't know what it is with Instagram lately. Yeah, it's just one of those things. I do know that I need to post on there, to be honest. I need to sort out my most latest TikToks because I need to post them on my shorts for you guys on here. My hay fever is playing games today. I'm not in the greatest of moods, but positive vibes only. Trying to drink as much water as I possibly can. Yeah, so this might be a fail of a vlog. Actually, while I've got your attention, maybe I'll show you what I got from PR. Oh, okay. Like I said, I've been super spoilt lately. I am very grateful to all the brands that send me products, and obviously to you guys who watch my content, because I wouldn't get these things if it wasn't for you guys. So the thing that I got sent today was from CeraVe. So I've had a few things from CeraVe before, but this is their new Balancing Air Foam Cleanser for normal to combination skin. This helps to hydrate and controls oils. The CeraVe as well sent me the new SPF. This is the facial moisturising lotion for normal to dry skin, SPF 50. Can't wait to try that. That's probably going to be so nice. So thank you so much, CeraVe, for sending those over. Probably should take them out of the packaging because I need to recycle these things. Then a super exciting parcel that I got sent was from NYX. Now, NYX spoil me lately. They sent me this parcel. I'm so grateful for this. So they've got the new fat oils, which is the Chills ones. 2 of those. The new Buttermelt highlighters. Love that. Obviously, You Better Work is my favourite, the pink one. And then they also sent me a gold one, but I'll show you something else they sent me. The brow glue, which I've got in my eyebrows today. I like it for like an everyday fluff up brow. 2 of the lip liners. These are the Duck Plumping lip liners in 2 shades, Injection and Nude Flip. And then we've got the NYX the face glue setting spray, which guys, I've been loving that. Of course, the NYX face glue gripping primer, which we all know I have tried that before and love. So that was a cute little parcel from NYX. Again, super grateful. And from NYX as well, they sent me loads of their highlighters. Again, so I've got the lilac one, the like greeny sort of colour one, the turquoise one, obviously the pink one again, so I've got 2 of those, the gold one, and I think that's it. And then they also sent me a few of the, I don't know if these are all the shades, but some of their lip stains. These are the Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Serum. Are they a stain, guys? I don't know. Can't wait to try those. So thank you so much again, NYX, for sending all that over. I appreciate it. And a super exciting one, guys, if you watch my lives you'll know how much I love this range from Garnier. It's the Vitamin C on the bright side. I absolutely love their Vitamin C range, so when this came through the post I literally screamed. So you've got the new SPF invisible like spray, so if you want to put SPF on but you've got makeup on, that is so good for that. Obviously the Brightening Liquid Care, love that. The glow version of the SPF 50, and my go-to favourite serum, the Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So thank you so much, Garnier, for sending that over. I appreciate it. As always, I absolutely love their products. Then most recently I got sent over, I don't know whether Boots sent me these or I'm not too sure. It's the brand Fwee, F-W-E-E, lip and cheek tints, I think. It's just launched in Boots, which is super exciting. Packaging, guys, let me just show you one because the packaging is so cute. Look at that. I love the frosted glass. And it's got the name on the top there. And then you open her up and it's like this mousse creamy texture. Like I said, cannot wait to try that. It's all in Japanese, so I think it's Japanese, like a Japanese skincare makeup brand. So thank you so much to Boots or Fwee. And talking about Boots, they actually sent me a message on TikTok, which I again nearly screamed. Because if you don't know, guys, I work in a Boots. Don't work for Boots, but I work in a Boots. I actually work for MAC Cosmetics, but this is like a surreal moment. So they got me a personalised card. It says, "Hey Liz Rose, meet the newest flavours of our viral glossy lip balms. Available online now and in store from 7th of July. Let us know what you think. Boots social team." They sent me some sweets. I could open those actually. Sour as well. Love a bit of sour. But if you've seen already the glossy lip balms, they've already got like the cherry, mint and coconut, I believe. But now they've got the raspberry, peach and vanilla, which these are tinted as well, which is nice. And that is everything I've been sent recently, guys. I am super grateful. Like I said, thank you so much to every single brand. Reach out to me and send me some products. I appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching my videos. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to get on with doing these videos.